Hi guys, my name is Grace He, and today I'll be showing you how to use the HistoryMakers Digital Archive. First things first, let's hop onto the HistoryMakers.org. Through the website, we can get to the digital archive, which is right under the archive section at the top. Log in, and here's the home page. I'm gonna be honest, it's a little hard to start searching with so much information and stories on this database. So ask yourself this question: who am I? Well, I'm an artist, a climber, a traveler, and last but not least, tea enthusiast. So I'm going to be searching for these personal connections. The search bar allows you to search inside all interviews. As an artist, I want to know more about Basquiat, an American artist known for his contemporary graffiti style of art. I personally think he has one of the coolest styles, and he used to do graffiti work down in Lower Manhattan. I actually used to go to New York City all the time, so I'm curious to see if there's anything specifically related to that. We can go to the map on the left-hand side and click on New York, which seems to have a lot of stories. This filters down the total stories. Then we can toggle between viewing the stories as a grid or a list. A quick difference between the two: the list view has no photos, but has the exact interview date and a peek into the transcript of the video. It's really nice because in the transcript of the interview, the keywords searched up will be bolded. Just to note, all these stories are part of one big interview, which you can access under here. He's a pretty cool speaker, so I'll save this clip. Ed Dwight was actually going to be the first black astronaut in the 1960s, but they wouldn't let him fly due to racism. It's crazy how he connects with something like art. However, I still want to learn more about a specific history maker. Going back to the question of identity and finding myself through these stories, I think a huge part of my identity is family. I have cousins all around the world: England, Australia, China. I think this aspect of me fueled my desire to see the world. Of course, also stories from my mom did too. She's an entrepreneur at the moment, but she used to work at the UN. There's this one story that she told me when I was young that really stuck with me. So one time, Barack Obama visited the UN, and she and other employees got to see him up close. And of course, everyone starts snapping pictures at rapid fire. At one point, Obama just looks up and goes, "Have you guys gotten enough photos yet?" So I'll search up Obama. See, he shows up first. Wow, he looks so young here. There's other history makers that come up too, of course, and this is because Obama was somewhere mentioned in the short description that corresponds with each section of the tapes in their interview. For example, Rachel Swarms was an interview for the Washington Post, so it makes sense that she has interacted with Obama before. You can find these sections quickly with either Command F or Control F based off of your device. Let's go back to Obama. On the left side, we have some fun facts and biography. This 3-hour interview was done before he was president, so you can see a new side to him. Oh my gosh, he taught at the University of Chicago. Imagine being able to say Obama was your law professor. I actually want to look more into that. I'll also save this clip, where we can access later under My Clips. If you're unsure of what to search, you can also go under Topic Directory and click Broader Categories. Here are some results that pop up. That's all. Have fun searching!